Hi guys, in this video we will solve one issue. This is the API issue 401 unauthorized. So when you hit your API and if you are getting this type of error, then we have a one solution to fix this issue. So in this video we just discuss that solution. So if you are getting this type of error when you hit the API, then you just apply this solution, then your issue will be resolved. I just quickly go to Postman. For example, this is my API, okay? And here, suppose I am just adding, means the issue is like a sender ID. In header parameter, when you just add in your sender ID, then I would suggest please send a proper sender ID. See, if I'm just adding random 1 to 3, okay, then we are getting this error JWT token claim AUD. And if you are passing proper sender ID, my project sender ID, then we are getting proper response. This is expected response. Okay, so if you are getting this error, then just check in your API headers what you are sending. Just first parameter you need to check like sender ID. If you are sending incorrect sender ID or random sender ID, then this error will come. To resolve this issue, then you need to send a proper sender ID. Whatever, means see, sender ID is one specific sender ID is allocated to the project. So you just send a proper sender ID, then this error will not come. So to resolve this issue, you need to send a proper sender ID in header parameters. This is the solution for this error. I hope you understand. Just apply this and then try to resolve this issue. Okay, thank you guys.